what's up? This is Alexander Yuan and I'm the Chief Trainer of Be The Magic Workshops, and at Be The Magic we teach magic not just so that you can learn tricks and impress girls or boys, but it's to empower you with a safe space and a safe tool to showcase your magic and also improve your presentation skills, whether it's in work or in school or just day-to-day life. Because magic has the ability to make you a performer, but only if you practice and rehearse a lot. So if you haven't done so, do check us out on social media right here. Alright, and we have very interesting stuff and courses coming up, so do watch out for that. Now, today I'm going to teach you a trick that you can do almost anywhere in any restaurant, and this is one of the classics of magic for real. And what it does is, is really amazing, and for myself, I do this sometimes to impress people as well. So let's get right into it. So this is the mystery of the vanishing coin. Now this coin will vanish in front of your very eyes on the count of 3. But the magic is so powerful that if it vanishes right in front of your eyes, you might go blind. You might go mad. So I don't want that to happen to you, so I'm going to take some added precaution. Put a bit of this pepper shaker on top of it. And just to make sure, just like how we're wearing masks these days in COVID-19, I'm just going to use this napkin and wrap it around just for some added safety, alright? Okay. So, you can see the coin is still here, it's still right there. Alright? Now when I count to 3, the coin will mysteriously disappear. Watch. 1, 2, 3. The coin is gone. That's right, it's gone, completely gone. Yes, but the hardest part really is to make it come back. So I count 3, 2, 1, and there, the coin is back. There it is. Okay, I know you're not convinced, so watch. I'll do this one more time. Cover the salt shaker on the coin. 3, 2, 1. It's gone. Completely gone. I guess for today's food, we're not gonna have any pepper on it, just salt. Okay, so that was the trick of the vanishing coin and pepper shaker. Now, to do this trick, it's really a mental journey that you bring your audience with, okay? And it's only when they follow you on this journey they can truly be fooled and misdirected. So what you need is any kind of shaker that's large enough to cover a coin. Does it need to be pepper? Well, I don't know. You can try with salt, but yes, it can work with salt, pepper, even if it's paprika or whatnot. Go ahead, go crazy, as long as it covers the coin. Now the coin doesn't have to be this big. It can be a small local currency that you're using, no problem. So the way I set this up is really to tell them the premise of me making the coin disappear. So what this does is now they're anticipating to themselves that they want to see the coin disappear because you've said it to be an amazing feat. But there's a caveat. The caveat is that you have to cover it because anyone who sees something so amazing would go mad or would go blind for the next 3 months or 6 months or whatnot, right? So you cover this and you're going to use a napkin. Now, you have to use napkin that are a bit stiff in structure. Now, you won't be able to use like a Kleenex tissue paper because it's very soft, it doesn't maintain the structure. And the secret to this is what you do when you cover the pepper, you're going to form a mold. Alright, you see it retains the shape. So even when I remove it out, it still looks like there's a pepper shaker inside, but obviously there is nothing at all. Okay, so you're gonna cover it like this. Now, this is the part where what you say and what you do is very important because it's all based on timing. Okay, so you're gonna say, I'm gonna make this coin disappear. Watch. 3. Oh wait, it's still there. So you show them they're still here. Now, when you show them they're still here, you're gonna lift this up and you're gonna bring it to the edge of the table. So it goes to the edge of the table. but you don't do anything yet because you need to do this again later on. So you want to set it up and condition them to realize that this is a very natural motion. All right. So say 1, 2, 3. It's gone. Yes, it's gone. But the hardest part is to make it come back. 3, 2, 1, and it's back. So now you're going to do this. The pepper shaker is still here. All right. You're going to say, and it's back. Now, see, when all attention is on this thing, what you're going to do, you're going to let this pepper shaker fall onto your lap. All right. Now you cannot do it like this, and it's gone. Right? It's not going to fly. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring this, as I said, you're going to bring this to the edge of the table. All right. And when you cover it like this and you let it drop, and of course keep your legs together. Now if you need a refresher on lapping, do check out the video. We did this a couple of weeks ago, right there or there, not sure. All right. So okay, this is, and it's gone. And okay, sorry, line is 3, 2, 1, and it's back. So now all your attention is going to be here. And you're going to relax your hand and let it fall. So now the pepper is right here, and you're going to cover it back. And you say something like, okay, I know you're not very convinced. Let me do this for real. So now you channel your inner magician and say, watch. 3, 2, 1. You're going to smash down. All right, you're going to smash down on it so it looks like the pepper shaker has disappeared. And you're going to do another thing. So you're going to smash down. All right. And they'll be like, what? I didn't expect the pepper shaker to disappear, but you did promise that you're going to make the coin disappear. So the way I do this is this. When I smash it down, I will use my fingers like a claw. I will crush the napkin and I'll pick up the coin. I'll crush the napkin and show that the coin has also disappeared. And that is how you do the trick. Oh, and of course, inside this napkin is the coin, so don't forget about it. So what you can do is just try to pocket this as well and keep it. When you go back home, just open it and then you have the coin. So there it is. This. I was going to say this is the vanishing pepper shaker coin trick, but hey, the napkin vanishes as well. So until the next time, if you enjoyed this, do like and subscribe and check us on social media. And my name is Alexander and I'm from Be The Magic Workshops, and I'll see you soon. Voila!